contribution of physics that our group will present is transistor. Transistors are used in almost every electronic device, from stoves to computers to aircraft. But to deeply understand this, we first need to know the history behind this invention.
The credit goes to William Shockley, John Bardeen, and Walter Brattain. Transistors were made from the intention to replace vacuum tubes, and though they failed at first, they soon found out how to make it work. With germanium components, Bardeen and Brattain worked to devise the first point contact transistor without informing their team leader Shockley. The group put an end to their partnership at Bell Lab and would later then be awarded the Nobel Prize in 1956.
But what exactly is a transistor? Transistors are considered as one of the most important inventions in the history of science. It is one of the key components in most of the electronic devices that are present today. The word trans means transfer property and istor means resistance property offered to the junctions. Transistors are defined as a semiconductor device which transfers a weak signal from low resistance circuit to high resistance circuit. But how does transistors work? Transistors work because of something called a semiconducting material like silicon and germanium. A current flowing from the base to the emitter opens a flow of current from the collector to the emitter. In simple words, we can say that the transistor is a miniature device that is used to control or regulate the flow of electric current.
Transistors have been used in our daily lives not only in electronics but also in digital and analog domain. The simplest function of transistors is using it as a switch operation for either opening or closing electrical circuits. The most common application for this would be for computer memory chips, for electrical games, cameras, MP3 players, and also for microprocessors. Transistors also act as an amplifier by increasing the strength of mixed signals. It works by taking tiny electric current at one end and producing much bigger current at the other. This became useful for the development of hearing aids and pocket radios during the 50s.